Okay, if you can see that red box, there's a fire alarm, but I can't lift it up because it would just activate the fire alarms, and I do not want to activate the fire alarms. Oh, and that one is the Simple X, and that over there is the Simpler X. Same thing as the panel, but I can't lift it up because it'll just activate the alarm. And this is the Y. Yep, this is the Y. And then there's the hoop, there's the loudspeaker, there's where the tables are in, behind the door, gym door, outside doors. Here, let me see if I can get closer. And yes, there's the Simple X fire alarm. Now I'm going to try to see if you can see this panel. TV. Okay, there's the Simple X fire alarm. Exit light, fire extinguisher. And here are 2 nut jobs. Another Simple X. Right now, I did actually activate one fire alarm. I resetted it, but somehow the fire alarms aren't going off. Up there they go. Somehow I don't know why. I activated one by the gym. Somehow they should be flashing. But I guess they just armed it. I don't know why. Focus camera, focus camera. Over there's one. And over there is a panel. Behind behind the green thing is another panel. As you can see, there's the state lights, hoop, lights, focus camera, come on. Clock over there. Yeah, and there's that fire alarm. Then there's that one that had been activated, but somehow they ain't going off. There's one over there. That loudspeaker. Another loudspeaker. Yeah. And there's how long the school has been running for. And let's see if I can speed up. Okay, the school has been running for 1999 first started. 2013 flag. Hold on, I'll move closer. Here's my favorite one, the silver flag. There's the school right now, 2013. There's where it leads to the kitchen. Yeah, it's dark. And there they are lining up. Counselor. Legos. I'm getting right back to that right after this.